Hi, and welcome to the Vintage and Classic Car Hub workshop here in wonderful Western Sydney. I'm now going to give you a quick bit of a guided tour to show you what equipment we've got and what you get when you come and work with us. First thing is our little library of books, etc. Everything you can think about books, lots of owner's manuals, etc. Although these days with Google and with YouTube, they're often better than the owner's manuals, but there are the conditions attached to that statement. Come on through here, we have our wonderful E-Type Jaguar, which is one of our hire cars. Take it out for the day or for the weekend. If you come on down, in the corner there, you'll see a little Mini Cooper hire car, and also a Heidi, which is our BMW rally car, which we thrashed through the forest. We got it competitive enough to beat anything apart from BDA Escorts, the little bastards. Over here on the right, we have one of our little work areas with a power drill, with a pillar drill and grindstone, etc. We keep that in the corner because we don't like bits of metal and rubbish, etc. getting into the other work we do, especially engine building, which we'll show you later. Over here on the right, we have our fantastic oil tank, which is really popular because this is where you put all your old oil. You don't need to pour it down the drain, okay? It goes in here and it gets recycled when it's full. We also have compressed air. We also have all of the angular accoutrements you need to get oils and greases into different parts of the car's body and car's engine. Here we have a 20-ton hydraulic press. On this side we have a transmission jack for small gearboxes, etc. Here is our wonderful 4.5-ton hoist, etc., which is really delightful. In the corner here is one of our cleaning areas with a jerk gurney for pressure washing, etc. And on the left-hand side we have a parts washer for cleaning your dirty, oily parts. Here we have most of our tools. These drawers are just full of tools, electrical, mechanical, hydraulic, special measuring tools for measuring stuff, right? We have special tools, many tools of which we've actually designed specially for certain jobs. We have also every nut and bolt you could possibly think of, every thread you could think of, both metric and imperial. And for those of you who don't know what imperial is, well, it's very old, okay? Including what's called BSF nuts, which go with Whitworth spanners. That's for people who are sort of even older than me to understand. This is a very special little cupboard. This is full of secret stuff. It is full of all the special tools you need to do those difficult jobs on cars. And through here we have our engine building section. Again, we teach people. So we've currently finished teaching an owner how to build up an MGB engine, which is ready to go here. And then we have another one we're working on at the moment, which is a little M10 race motor for a BMW, similar to the one for the rally car. This is a single overhead cam engine. This is this is a pushrod engine, if you like, with overhead, with a cam in the body of the engine itself. And here we have our whiteboard, which we use to explain the internal idiosyncrasies of engines. And in the corner here we have engine cranes, we have engine stands, we have a large transmission mount for heavy gearboxes, etc. So that's our workshop, okay? Finally, the one thing which is probably my most favorite thing in the whole workshop is this lovely floor, okay? This is a beautiful epoxy flooring. It cost me a lot of money to do. It's a lovely color as well. It goes really nicely, especially with orange, don't you think? And this, it keeps you clean. It means you could bring the kids down, bring the family down, maybe not a wedding dress, but pretty well anything else will stay clean. So that's our workshop. If you know what you're doing, just come down here and hire it, $30 an hour. We'll leave you to it. If you get stuck, we've got experts on hand to help you out. If you don't know what you're doing, you come down here for our one-on-one coaching sessions, either with your car or with one of our cars, etc. And we help you and teach you how to repair these cars. And that price includes all the tools and equipment. So we don't charge you extra for the compressor, we don't charge you extra for spanners, it's all included. Even includes nuts and bolts and other consumables. So come on down, get your hands dirty, have fun, and save heaps of money. Thanks.